You know, start from Ghanaians, believing in Ghanaians.
Yes.
You know, it starts from there. Then, because when you believe in Ghanaians, you if that's all you know, that's what you pay for. You know, so when you pay for that, the artists make more money, you know, to invest back. You know, so when you guys are being patriotic and we are not investing back, then you have a reason to go like, why are Ghanaian artists not catching up with what's happening?
Yeah.
But for the artists, they're doing their best. They're doing great music. You know, you can't tell me one artist in Ghana who's not good. They're all good. You know, but it's just more of our home base needs to embrace what we are doing more. You know, I'm not saying don't open up to any international music. I think they play my music in Nigeria as well, but it's just...
But you're Saturday, they have no choice.
I had to work to that point.
You're right.
You understand?
You're right.
In Ghana, you can get a new song from even Zimbabwe and you can make their way here. I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just saying the basic thing is, let's be patriotic, let's buy into our stuff.
Dancehall King Shatta Wale calms fans down with a spectacular performance after fans booed and pelted him with stones for a surprise entry at the Loud in Shukura concert. Meanwhile, his fans should watch out for his new reality show on Foresight TV Live.